Welcome to my computer show. I'm Mars Argo.
Me and Hiccup are gonna get a job at a animal hospital. Come.
I'm trying so hard not to.
Come here. Buddy, it's just me, MG. I'm really gonna edit this video later. Let me just tell him to say hello. Say hello, bro, to the children. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Hello?
Giggly, giggly, goo.
Lord. Now he's just like sitting on my sofa.
I'm gonna take your feet.
Wait.
Oh my god, we got
Sorry, I was coughing. Who the hell is there? Oh, it's a person. Oh wow.
Hello.
Lol. Okay, stay up for
Okay.
Dude. Okay, you're fixing that. Take it. Okay, let's go.
Okay. You go do that. I'll take care of the others.
Okay. Come on. Let's go, patient.
Go.
The unicorn.
Oh, heck no, is this?
You got a unicorn.
Go. Go. Okay.
Oh my god. Okay. Hello, dear patient. Shut up. Bro, this patient has to shut up. Okay. Okay.
Another patient on the way.
Bruh. Wait, I need coffee.
Alright.
I need coffee.
Okay.
Yes, bro, wait. I have no time for this. What are you doing? Where are you? What happened? Oh. Done mine yet. Cool. Oh, hers. Okay. Bro needs literal grass.
It's right here.
I know.
Who did good
got
shit
that.
before?
Bro, we have to take care of the same patient at the same time, bro. So if something funny happens, we can get it in 4K.
Oh my god, look at this guy's eyes!
Oh, heck no. Oh, heck you know, bro.
Hold on a second, hold on.
Don't touch them. They're gonna
I just saw
attack you,
the
bro. They're gonna attack you. I just saw the stalker. No, I saw the stalker. What? Oh, bro, help me. You're not supposed to treat them.
No.
You're not supposed to treat them. No, stop. You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to do that. Stop. Stop. It's a killer. You don't. It's an anomaly. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to close the shutters. Quit. Bro. Okay. Go away. Okay, hello. Go away.
So like, what are you supposed to do?
Oh heck no! That ain't right,
Are
bro.
you kidding?
It twitched his head. Stop! 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 It's an anomaly, bro. You didn't see his head twist. You didn't see his head lag. You didn't see his head lag, bro.
So are we not allowed to do service to the people
Bro,
that are
you
acting
do not know how
weird?
to play this game. Wait, another unicorn. There's another unicorn.
That's you.
Go ahead. Dinosaur.
Alright, go do room 2. I'll take care of the others.
Open it for me with your magical powers. You did that. Okay, it left, bro. Open the window. Via. Okay, I'm taking your DNA sample, sir. Wait 1 second. I'm gonna go grab coffee. Okay, sir. Process your results. Okay, you need a cough thing or whatever. Cough syrup, okay. Bruh. Hope you feel better, sir. What room was he in? I found him. Oh. I got that. Wait, I got that.
Oh,
Got that.
grab it. Yeah.
I forgot one. Wait. Where is that? Oh. Wait, 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 man.
I didn't make it.
It's gonna take so long to edit, bro. There's a store. Why it sound like that? Yo,
Who did good? I wonder who did good.
close the door for them, bro. I got 88,000. How dare you? It's Ron. It's Ron. It's Ron, guys. I'm doing this one. No, I'm doing this one. Stop. No, you go do this one. I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna put them in. Stop.
Oh my god! Let me!
No. It's Ron from accounting. This is my chance.
I'm good at closing.
Okay, normal pick. Oh wait, I got that. I got that. I got that. No room 3 is chat.
Don't stop till you get enough. Come on.
Dude.
Hey, what's up, man? What you need? Nation.
Hurry up, Ron. Take you forever. Go for real. What?
So you just face this photo, right? Look at the photo.
Not 20. Literally. I got that way, I got that. What you want, sir? Okay, Cinnamon Park. Normal off photo.
Got the other patients.
Why do you exist, bro? It's a freaking bunny. Okay.
Someone came to visit someone.
There's only one person, bro. Dude, come look at the roof at room 2, bro. Don't look at it for too long. Don't look at the roof for too long. Just don't look at it for too long.
I've seen it before.
Don't look up. Oh my god. Is that it? You forgot one. 2 actually. I got that. I got that.
Alright, grab the honey. Alright, I got it. Alright. Alright, you can watch the patients. Okay, hold on.
I just made eye contact. I need. Oh, it's a rat.
Man, what's up? Let me see.
Okay.
Alright.
Come here, rat. Why do you need 2 whole bottles of maple syrup, Quinn? I got that. Bruh.
I got a long day.
Bro thinks it's the coffee
So how do we
shop.
make
Wait a second. Twin, this could be a killer. This could be a serial killer. Twin, this could be a serial killer. This could be a serial killer. Please, bro, please. Oh,
He's walking away. He's walking away.
I hope so. Open. I think he's mad. Okay, Brad.
Sir, this is a hospital, not a coffee shop. Just to remind you.
No. Twin. I feel like that black
What?
tall thing, I feel like that's Black Jack's for some reason.
Bro, like Black Jackson.
Okay, Chloe. Hello. Welcome. I'm expecting this photo.
You're not going to see it.
Oh, heck no.
Oh, hell no.
God damn.
Oh, man.
Hello, sir. You look very tired.
That's the camera.
You're lagging so bad, bro. Bro, you're stealing my job. Okay, normal law pick. Okay, sir. Oh, by the way, you also have to check the cameras before serving them to check if there are anomalies on the camera. You dumb. You. Bro, someone vomited. Someone vomited, bro. Someone vomited. No, come here. Someone vomited. Come here. Okay. Very weird. How dare you hit a client? Bro, help me! We have to we have to do surgery. When we have to do surgery on this one, we missed a place. We missed a patient. Get the stuff first. Come here. Bro. God damn. Bro. Oh, heck, yo. He's gonna die, bro. Oh, frick. Twin, we only got 45 seconds. Wait. Be slow. We're being timed. Where's his at? Oh. Where the bandage at? Hey! Damn, bro. Are you serious? I already got the bandage, bro. How dare you? You killed one of our patients! Wait. Hello, ma'am. Oh, what the hell is that? Bro, look at that!
Oh my god!
Bud thought he was slick. Bud thought he was slick. Bud thought he was slick.
I'm scared.
Bud thought he was slick. Okay, hello, sir.
No. Hold on. What's What's the photo?
Look at the photo.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
You got that? I got that. Where is that thing? That it? Okay. Dude. Where'd you get the taser? Where'd you get the taser? What the hell?
Oh my god! Me!
Oh heck no!
This man's face.
Okay, sir, nobody cares. Okay, sir.
Mom, help me! Help me!
Where are you? Wait, where is you? I use this! Oh heck no. Dude. Hey sir. This is so helpful. Okay, sir. Excuse me? My dude really said. Oh, excuse me. Okay, Slowpoke. Open the door for me. What is it? Oh my god, hurry up before I throw you in the trash can. Oh, sorry. My dum-dum was doing, like, thinking about things. Got that. Sir, we are finishing.
Yeah.
Who is you visiting? My dude is visiting Air. Who are you visiting? My dude is visiting Air. Here you go, sir. Oh.
And with one more person.
I did nothing. My dude is visiting Air. Who is bro visiting, bro? Twin! Someone's visiting Air. Come look. Come look. Come.
I'm trying so hard not to.
Come here. When she real.
Buy
She
my
provided
alien.
eating yellow.